ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We have made this Quran simple and clear for guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Dear learners, in this lesson, we will discuss different types of ha sound. We have 3 categories of this sound in Arabic language. First category is glottal H sound, a sound that is produced from glottis or vocal cords area, making sound like
ha, ha.
The second category is soft ha, called pharyngeal fricative, making sound like
ha, ha.
The third category is H rough sound like
Ha, ha.
Dear students, now come to short vowels for the glottal H sound. Dear learners, let's apply short vowels pattern on these sounds.
Ha, he, ho. Ha, he, ho.
Now come to the second sound.
Ha, he, ho. Ha, he, ho.
Now come to the last sound.
Ha, he, ho. Ha, he, ho.
Dear learners, now we are going to apply long vowels pattern to give length and stress to these sounds. For this, we double the vowels.
Ah, yi, oo.
Now once again.
Ah, yi, oo.
Now the second H soft sound with double vowels to give length and stress.
Ha, he, hu.
Now come to the last one with double vowel.
Ha, he, hu.
Now come to example words made from these sounds. In Arabic language, cell phone is called
hatif, hatif.
while donkey is called
حمار, حمار.
and the exit is called.
خروج, خروج.
Dear learners, do you see how we can form a complete word using short and long Arabic vowels? Step by step, we will continue learning Arabic in this way. By doing so, you will not only be able to understand the Quran, but you will also be able to communicate in this language. Stay connected with the tutorials. Thank you.